Hey guys, it's Lisa from Volkswagen, and we'd like to introduce you to the future of car washing. This is our newest addition right beside service, Your Way Car Wash. Let's go check it out. This is the most advanced car wash in Sault Ste. Marie, designed to deliver an unmatched level of cleanliness and care for your vehicle. Our car wash is fully automated, ensuring your vehicle receives a comprehensive and thorough cleaning without the hassle. There's no need to step out of your vehicle. The entire process is self-service, ensuring you stay comfortably behind the wheel. Our system is designed to be user-friendly, so all you have to do is follow the simple instructions. Just drive in and let our cutting-edge system do the rest. At Your Way Car Wash, it's your choice. You decide whether you prefer the gentleness of a soft touch wash or the precision of a touchless wash. Our Your Way Car Wash is open to all, regardless of the make or model of your vehicle. Yes, you heard it right. Everyone is welcome to take advantage of the benefits. Now let's talk technology. Our ShineTech system provides a level of shine you'd expect from a professional hand wax, filling those small scratches and giving your vehicle a lasting brilliance. For premium protection, we introduce Graphite Guard. The groundbreaking technology creates a tightly bound hexagonal shield that not only adds an incredible shine, but also hardens to protect your vehicle, fending off dirt, oxidation, and corrosion. So there you have it, our brand new Your Way Car Wash, conveniently located right beside the service department at Northside Volkswagen, 878 Great Northern Road. Trust us for the care of your vehicle.